and stepdad are coming over, so we're getting ready.
I get on the way.
Yeah, you gotta brush your teeth.
And brush your teeth.
And we took a bath. Took a bath, yeah. And brush your teeth. So I got this stool here for him. It's working out pretty good. We've had a severe rodent problem. There's a huge one in my bathroom right now. Huge.
She's on both in the door.
Yes.
And there's soap.
Yeah, we don't put soap. I tried to put soap on his toothpaste. I mean his toothbrush. We only use toothpaste. No soap.
Alright, Kitty, you're doing marketing.
You like that looking down at you? You like that? Yeah? You like that? You like that?
Okay.
He learned how to screw. My Aunt Betty, she was teaching her granddaughter how to unscrew, and she went home and told her daddy, "Daddy, Grandma taught me how to screw." Oh my goodness. That's his working face, the tongue. Okay, Raphael just finished his snack and he wants more. I gave him a rice cake. Broke
You
up.
want more, Mommy?
Yeah, in a second. 1 second. So these are Hadar's old headphones that he gave to me, and they're noise canceling. He's already had to replace the foam pads on them he got from eBay, and you know, they're not as good quality as what came with it. These are Sennheiser, and they're very good, but they're really old. He's had them for several years. And right now he's trying to fix his brand new ones that he got because it's not working with the computer for some reason. So he's been on that for a while now.
Okay, get a reason.
For some reason? For some reason?
A reason?
Your snack is all gone. For some reason.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Oh,
Grandma and
God.
Grandpa coming? And they're bringing your best friend? Eliza?
And then hi, friend Lisa.
Your friend Lisa, Eliza. You're gonna play blocks?
Oh, no.
No?
Not in.
You're gonna write?
No.
You're gonna
Not
teach your
in.
ABC 1, 2, 3?
You want ABC?
Yeah. It's very hot, so we're gonna go to the beach. You're gonna have fun at the beach with Grandma? Grandma and Grandpa? Yeah, we're gonna have fun at the beach with Grandma and Grandpa. Yeah, it's hot out here, oh my goodness. This is an American, it looks like a battleship. It's American though. Number 7. Look at all that stuff on there.
He didn't even notice him until I told him to. CH-53s.
Yeah, cool. Right in the harbor.
Oh,
America.
they have flags there. They probably landed today.
Landed.
Made it to the land. Yeah. Give it back to him. He's fair.
He's fair.
Put his head back on. Put his head
There you go.
In case you want to dive,
Okay.
we got 2 pairs.
Okay.
I just wanted to get a better picture, a better view of it.
Number 7.
But see, there's a bunch of aircraft carriers on there.
Actually, it is an aircraft carrier, a small one.
Uh-huh.
You can consider that small.
Helicopters.
They have old planes, CH-53s, V-22s, which are nice, and old
It's kinda
Harriers. It
rusted.
looks like. I don't even know if Harriers are in service. They're so old.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't really see anymore because this is the port right here, and they have it blocked off. We can't get in.
You can see the 2 blocks.
Yeah. They're like, no admittance. And this is where they actually ship all the cars in for, you know, new cars. You come here and you pick your new car up.
Burn new cars.
And they're basically all white, and you get it painted the color that you want it. And they have a coating on top that they peel off because it's sitting in the sun.
I had to slow down earlier for my stepdad, and I pointed out the window this way, and then I see him in the back mirror.
Woo! He
And
likes
my
stuff
mom,
like
too.
the...
Yeah, he's a military lover. Not for the
Yeah.
one he does, but, you know.
Yeah. He likes the...
I like
Yeah,
it
what
too.
the heck
I
are
always
these
like that.
taxis? Oh, they're probably coming to get the vehicle.
Possibly.
Yeah, bringing the person to come pick
You
their
ever seen
vehicle up.
this jazz roundabout? Jazz
Yeah,
roundabout.
I don't think I've actually
And
shown
that
it.
is a jazz city, actually. It's a jazz-loving city
Mm-hmm.
by, you know, that's their by definition, but they don't have that many things of jazz here, festivals or
Yeah,
whatever.
Ocala is thoroughbred country. And Eilat is
Jazz, not country.
jazz. Yeah.
Brand new Wolf behind us.
So we're home from the beach, and we had a nice time. The little girl and him played very well together. We had some beach time, sand, and the sun, and the water.
Wait.
So Rafael wants to sing you a song. It's the colors of the rainbow.
Can white,
All right, we start with red,
green,
green,
yellow,
yellow,
orange.
orange.
Oh no, I'm a pillow.
Oh no, the pillow fell. Orange. Okay, red,
Red, green,
green,
brown,
brown,
red, green, yellow, orange, blue, indigo, and violet.
blue, indigo, and violet. Indigo. Indigo really is the color of the rainbow. Crazy. Red. Goodness. Pillow. Pillows. He knows the color of the rainbow, but he can't put his pants on the right way. They're backwards. Red,
Green,
green,
yellow,
yellow,
orange,
orange,
blue,
blue,
indigo,
indigo,
and violet,
and violet,
and brown.
and brown. These are the colors of the rainbow. The colors of the rainbow. Him's tired because he was a swimming. Swimming makes us tired.
Swimming, I'm tired.
Yeah. We're gonna go to bed, aren't we? So what? Say what? Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep rolling on the couch, rolling. Oh my goodness. The rainbow just starts by itself and it's trapped. And Daddy's fixing his ear muffs things. Yep.
Oops, and a rovers.
Turn it off!
Here.
Turn it off! Turn it
Oh
off!
goodness.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And now we on there.
Looking like a fool with your pants on backwards. At least they ain't on the ground.
Red,
Red,
green,
green,
brown,
brown,
indigo,
indigo,
brown,
Brown, brown, brown, brown, brown, brown. White,
White,
gray,
gray,
pink,
pink. Wow.
chartreuse.
Your diaper. Oh, diaper.
It's a diaper.
Oh, diaper.
Here's a quick quiz. What's the 5 things Rafael needs to go to sleep? If you don't do these 5 things, he will not go to bed. What are they?
Yellow.
Number 1, Teddy. Number 2, Elmo. Number 3, cover.
Cover.
Number 4, Baba.
Number 3.
Number 5. Do you want a fan?
Dolphin.
Do you want a fan on?
Dolphin on.
That'll be it. 5 things. Drink your Baba. It's hard to drink Baba with Elmo there. But you'll make it. You'll make it just right. Eyelashes. In the face. Okay. But you're good. Very good. Can I have a kiss?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning.
Are you going to Papa here?
Yeah. Bye bye, Rafael. Sweet dreams.
Bye-bye.
See you in the morning.
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 There's an error on your computer.
A bear?
Error.
I'm trying to fix this all day. It's still not working. Bluetooth headset. You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. FoolyLiving. So it's been very hot and very dusty today.
Isn't this stupid, kitty? You're gonna see that.
Yeah, you stupid kitty. You need to sit still trying to vlog ya. Because I'm too old to go to the military. He's an audiophile, if that's what it's called.